up? Damn it. I'm good. Check on him, I'm good. Check on him. I tried to get around you, man.
Oh, did you hit me or something? I don't know.
I got your leg. Make sure they take a look at it.
That's good.
Make sure they take a look at it, man. I tried to get around you, but you were right in front of me.
You all right, brother? Yeah.
Hey,
sure?
check. Yes.
He's like, hurt.
I'm good.
Oh, good. I'm sorry, man. I went to get on the gas and then it just...
Yeah, I was. You probably heard me back there. I was on your ass. I saw the whole thing.
Yeah, I watch your shit, so nice.
Huh?
I said I watch your shit. So
Oh,
nice.
thanks. I don't know if my camera was on for that, but
That's fine.
yeah, your rear was like, bro, you were like 90 fucking degrees.
Yeah, I felt it.
You were all right in front of me.
It was like, boop. I felt the rear just go like this, and I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna go for a ride.
I mean, I don't think either of our bikes tumbled, so
Yeah.
that's just bolt-on shit. As long as you're all right, like I know I hit your leg or your arm, one of them.
It definitely feels like it was right here.
Make sure they check you out, man. You probably just don't feel it, but because that's what took me out. I hit you.
Well, I apologize. My leg apologizes.
Just make sure they look at you, man, because it might be messed up.
I think I'm fine. Like I said, it just feels like someone literally just punched me
Yeah.
in the muscle, which luckily I'm gonna say I work out, so maybe that'll help me, but we'll see.
I'm good.
I mean, I felt better, but not too bad. On my leg, we should be good. Do you want me to sit on this? Or just stand here? I don't have a seat. I'm gonna stand here.
Yeah, it happens. As long as I'm good, man, it's whatever. Same for, I mean, you know, as long as we're good, bro.
People are stuff. Now, I mean, I wasn't gonna do anything to stop that, but
It is what it is. Like I said, I'm fine, man. I can fix a bike, so it is what it is. Definitely not racing tomorrow, though.
I guess rolling on the concrete, I don't feel as bad as I think that I should.
Yeah, that was sticking in my mind when I hit the ground. Just roll. Don't stick your arms out, roll. Where's this guy going?
But like,
Yeah.
was that? I mean, my bike could have leaked that, but
I mean, there's fluid in there. I mean, I don't know if that's after
it looks
the
like
fact or
something
what,
there, but I don't know.
well, what are we doing?
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, it feels like I have the biggest Charlie horse, which is, I guess, your front tire.
Yeah. That's what got me, man. I was swerving, but it's like you're hooked in coming down here. It's like,
Correct.
You
I mean,
can't.
no, you.
Yeah. You're cranked over. I mean, but it happened so quick too. I mean.
Yeah, and if you were right behind me.
Yeah.
I'm just glad it didn't break my leg, obviously, but.
Yeah.
And for you, just not that too bad.
Yeah, it hit you and then rolled to the right, and then rolled off, and I was over here spinning somewhere.
I caused a bad accident.
It was nasty.
You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for helping out.
All right.
Yeah.
That's what we do. Okay. You gotta do some more, ain't you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Some people do anything for footage for support their channel.
It wasn't me this time, man.
Needs more views and stuff.
It wasn't
way
me.
to get it.
What happened? We came out of Charlotte's Web on that right, and we came down the hill, and I was right behind him. Whenever he opened it up, that game just hot-sided it. He was 90 degrees in front of my bike.
Oh my goodness.
And I hit him is what made me crash.
Oh, you
Because I
hit
went to
him.
swerve, because he got thrown off. I swerved, but he got bucked off the bike. So he landed right in front of me. I hit his leg, and then it knocked the bike to the right, and then just went sliding across the track. Museum corner, yeah. It was, damn, it's like my best race today, too. There's something.